Hello guys, let's see another video. So today there's a new update in car parking in multiplayer 1. So let's see the new update. There's two new cars. Got Mercedes 6X6 and Nissan Skyline RCT3. So there's a new environment. There's a new location named Countryside. And there is the repair animation, but it is only on multiplayer. But and there is new turbo sound and the sound of American cars and Japan cars has been changed. So I'll make it in the next video. So let's see the new update. So this is the Nissan Skyline RCT3. I have it, but I don't remember. I used the V6 3.0. So, and there is Mercedes 6X6. So this is the SUV car. Yes, a Mercedes 6X6. Okay, let's go in the new map. Oh, let's change to the Mercedes. So let's go. Oops. Let's the graphics. But let's use this map and go here. Oops. Here we in the new location. So we here, guys. Oops. So this is the new location. Let's explore. So this is the farm, maybe. So we're here. this is gas station and the restaurant. They type here dinner, but it's some kind of both. There's nothing good. Let's do this. No, this. No, why? Oh, there. No, this. Never mind. Let me try again. Let's jump. Look, this is some kind of book. So let's see if there's find here. This is the new bear animation. There is here and then the second one and the third one and the fourth one and the fifth one. Okay. So if you like this update, like and subscribe and comment. Bye guys, and I will do the sound of cars in the next video. So bye guys.